Custom car show today, gonna be super awesome, but I have one fun stop to make before we get there. And I'm gonna have my ride-along buddy Monica. If you aren't subscribed to me, please take a moment and do so. I would really appreciate it. And then, Piney, let's roll them bumps. Have to make a quick stop on Ed Joe's recommendation because I don't want my videos to suck, so we're gonna take care of this. You might recognize this place actually. I've been tossed from this mall at least one time, so hopefully this will just be a quick little excursion and we won't have any problems with the man. Ed Joe, thank you for the advice. I definitely don't want to make videos that suck. We're gonna fix this. Well, it's official, Ed Joe. My days of sucking as a filmmaker are coming to an end, but I just want to let you know that I am kind of a slow reader, so it may take me about a month. The Custom Car Show. Always my absolute favorite show. People take whatever they have or their favorite cars ever, and they make them whatever they want them to be. It's like video making, really, or filmmaking. They can be as creative as they want to be. I mean, all these custom cars. This is like a playground for me. What do you think, honey? Do you like the custom car shows or just the shows that have your stock vehicles?
Custom cars are better because they all look different. There's something different about each one of them.
It's unbelievable. This show is huge too, guys. You can see we're not even halfway through the field yet. You get this. This is just the way it is. So this car right here, if Monica could have any car on the planet, maybe not this color. I don't know, what's that? Right there, but this year Thunderbird is Monica's jam right here. This is gorgeous. So I'm at the car show and my phone is blowing up. And everybody says to go on Pusa's stream. I don't know if you can see this. Between Inspired John and Pusa Studios. Thank you guys. Wow. $37 subscribers, they got me in less than an hour. And I don't even know what to say. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. For him, not for me. I'm not sure how I feel right now, so we'll see tomorrow.
She will be seeing you tomorrow. You beautiful, beautiful people. It's the Batmobile. No, really, it's the Batmobile. Well, now I've slightly recovered, and Monica and I talked about this, but you can never repay people for the kindness that they show you. And it means a lot to me, guys, so thank you so much, Pusa and Inspired John, and to every person who has been a part of the growth of my channel, the amazing journey to 1,000 subscribers. Thank every single one of you. It means so much to us. That was an amazing car show. I mean, you'd think the highlight of your day was getting to see the Batmobile. Nope. You crazy folks went out there and got me over 1,000 subscribers. Monica and I are actually gonna go out for the first time in a long time and just have a nice dinner. Huh?
Celebrate.
We're gonna celebrate, have a nice dinner. Thank you guys so much. For the 1,000 subscriber celebration, Monica and I are going here. You might recognize this. I was just here yesterday. Michael T introduced me to this place. And I'm pretty excited to introduce Monica to this place.
I'm pretty excited to try it.
Yummy. So we had an amazing day. We had an awesome dinner at Aruga's. And we are just taking our late night walk, but I want to thank you guys once again for the amazing support that you offered us today. Please do me a big favor. Go out there, find your adventure, have a great day, and we will see you soon.